On July 1st, 2017, Notre-Dame Cathedral entered the most extensive restoration of its entire 140 years history. By 2023, only about 50% was completed, including roof repairs, a full replacement of the drainage system, restoration of the original marcel bricks, and reinforcement of the steel structure. Many parts must be rebuilt by hand, brick by brick, glass panel by glass panel, every carved detail on the pale towers. In 2023, the two crosses that had stood for 128 years were removed after severe corrosion was discovered. Their replacement, crafted in Belgium from solid steel, then gilded with gold leaf, will be lifted back onto the tower around March to April 2026. The restoration is slow, not because it's simple, but because every step is meant to preserve a century-old heritage with absolute precision.